How to fix Instagram login issue easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in less than 50 seconds I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it. When you click on it, now you have to go into the storage option right here. As you can see, click on clear data to clear all the data and click on clear cache, and then go back again, and now you have to click on this option. It's called open by default. After you click on this option, now you have to click on open support links in this app. Click on it and choose always allow. Now go back and click on the power usage details and click down here on this force stop option, as you can see right here. After you click on the force stop, go back. Now go back to the settings of your phone and go to the wireless and networks, and then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.